Now, have you guys noticed that when you listen to a song on Spotify or you're looking at Instagram Reels, sometimes there's just an effect of like a video looping? Well, you can recreate that very easy in Premiere Pro, and it does not take a pro to know how to do this. Trust me, it's gonna be super fast, super easy. Let's get started. I'm just gonna select the footage that I want, name it, and then just hit create. If I want to make this for Spotify Canvas or any other platform, I want it to be at max 8 seconds, and right now the clip is at 10 seconds. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just shorten this to about 4 seconds. Just go towards the end of the clip until I see that red arrow. Hold, click and hold, and just pull it back until I find the marker that I need. So now it's 4 seconds exactly. I'm going to duplicate this very easy by holding Alt on my keyboard and just clicking and dragging. So now I've got the duplicate of that footage, and I'm just gonna make sure I close that gap and it just snapped right into place. I'm going to right click on this and I'm just going to hit speed duration. I'm just gonna hit reverse speed. I'm gonna hit OK. And now when I watch this through, we're going to see that perfect loop effect. I have that perfect seamless look, and that was made in probably less than a minute. Here is what that looks like. Hopefully this helped. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.